Haste habang lama lamprabo jesuk mansak Buphang kaina ni bagai kok piri tongo Buphang kai tongo tamoni hinmale Buphang ni se mano oxygen tei oxygen bor rokni langma mothangtani busuk jora tei nangko abo jotono saimano oxygen kri hingke kebo thangai mania haini bagai lama lampra nok gana gini rogo Buphang kaina ni bagai kok pirjagai tongo abo bai baksa Buphang rokno raya tonnani bagai ba kok pirjago haste habang borok rokno luku rokno Buphang kaina ni bagai ek per Maaki Naam 2.0 no ruksawi hasteni kereng kereng jagao Buphang Bwsa kaimani tangbo tangrok khlai tongo abo haikino tini June talni 25 salmari Swrangchalo ek per Maaki Naam 2.0 no ruksawi haste beremni mass plantation program 2025 songtjakha Khumulwngo aro fai manjak faika bolongtang betikni Montri Animesh Bwsa osalo Buphang Bwsa rogo tuiloi opandano chengsawi rekha bolongtang betikni Montri Animesh Bwsa bonokari tongo TTAADC ni CEM Purna Jamatia MLA Manav Bwsa MLA Jek Swapna Bwsa khoboi MDC Ganesh Bwsa tei tongo juta juta atongrok osalo opandano rwgwi Buphang Bwsa Kailaikha fai manjaknai atongrok tei abai baksa kok narak thani Buphang tamni bagai kaina nang tei Buphang bororokni bagai busuk jora tei nangko aborokno teibo kok narakha fai manjaknai narwairo.
Last year especially we started the last year's plantation survey. I think the mortality rate we can declare that at least 20 to 25% mortality rate is there. So the survival rate is 70-75%. Not bad actually.
Not bad. And as per the
Tripura forest is basically not virgin forest. You all know about it. Because in every forest, in every areas of forest area, people are inhabiting there. Not from now, maybe thousands of years back, they used to stay only in forest area. So unlike it is Amazon forest or the forest which we can see in Tamil Nadu or in the southern part of our country, that the forest is there, virgin forest. No one goes there. But this happens probably because of not only encroachment, rehabilitation packages also had been declared by Government of India. You know about it. So due to that also this reduction in the forest area could have been found probably. But we are trying to revive the degraded forest land by planting more plants and trees, whatever is possible, as per the working plan of Forest Department.
My last question is, sir, corners for income also.
See, this question should have been asked to the Tribal Welfare Department or to the Honorable CM. But still, I am going to answer this. As far as Forest Department is concerned, all our 3 externally aided projects are aiming at making the livelihood project very strong, so that the forest dwellers, they can have alternative income sources by not destroying the forest resources. So you already have seen that we are coming up with some mushroom production, fisheries, ARDD. Now we are going for autolooms also. Instead of handloom, we'll go for autoloom. Solar energy is going to be used instead of using the trees for cooking in the forest areas. So several other things we are taking up. And that is why even the World Bank or JICA Authority or Indo-German Development Cooperation, the institutions are giving the money to implement all this project. Well, let me express my first view. The first view is, चोर लोग जितना चोरी करते रहेंगे, उसको we have to counter by planting more. Is our philosophy. Today in the whole state we are going to plant more than 6 lakhs of seedlings. Definitely it is going to touch 10 lakhs, but we are announcing only 6 lakhs because mortality rate is also there. Now last year we did the same kind of program whereby we planted 5 lakhs. Now second opinion which you wanted to know, that what about the tree felling? Forest Department is very serious about it. I think you must be knowing some of our rangers, forest guard, foresters, they have been beaten up by the mafias. I have already spoken to Honorable CM of our state. that please give me paramilitary forces to strengthen the forest protection unit. He has assured me verbally that 1 battalion of Indian Reserve, TSR battalion, is coming back to Tripura. As soon as they come back, the battalion will be handed over to us, and then you see how we'll protect. Because with such mafias or smugglers, with empty hand you cannot combat them. We also need a very disciplined and well-trained people to combat them.
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed, and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanwantari Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I am a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanwantari Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanwantari Multi-Speciality Hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well, and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikmanavar railway station.